Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hope. Today I'm bringing you guys my hair care routine. This routine is crazy. I have become so lazy over this entire year. Actually, like, I let my hair go like weeks before I even do my hair. When I think about the process mentally, I procrastinate. So I just want to show you guys the struggle it takes because of my laziness. This is just a hair care routine, how I detangle, how I wash, what I use, and so forth. I'm going to be doing the voiceover for the rest of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comments bar below, and I'll see you in my next video. Are you ready for the big reveal? Well, here it is. So after weeks of keeping my hair under wigs, time to do it. I take a day or two to deep condition it, put a conditioner in it, and then just put a cap or plastic bag over it, and then put my hair wrap over it and wear that for about a day or two before actually tackling my hair. While my hair is under the wig, I usually keep it either in cornrows or 2-strand twists. For this go around, I kept it in 2-strand twists for I can't even tell you how long, probably a month or two. And that bottle only has conditioner and water, and the conditioner I put in there is the Aussie's Mega Moist quenches thirst hydration conditioner. So at this point, my hair is so matted from being put away that I put everything I can find. That is coconut oil. I'm going to use a big amount, like a very generous amount. I'm going to rub it into my hand, just melting it into my hand, and then I'm going to apply it to my hair. At this point, I'm just applying products that I think will work. I like to use conditioner, water, oil, just to make sure that my curls can unravel, because if you have 4C hair, 4C, like whoever be claiming 4C, you can have it, because this thing, my curls are just a lot, and we haven't been on the same page ever since my hair passed like 3 inches. With length comes more headache. This brush, bro, this brush is bomb. I got it from Walmart. It was a bit expensive. Like, that crap was like $8 or $9. But when my mother used it on my baby sister's hair and it worked magic, I had to run and go get it. Always detangle from the ends. If you try to go to your roots, well, then that's how you do it. But I know that it's easier for me to just work my way towards the roots, starting from the ends. And as you can see, I'm really going to be going very slow. This was a very long, tedious process. That's why doing my hair is not the fun thing or the first thing on my to-do list, because you really have to be gentle with it. I knew a lot was going to come out anyway, so I really wasn't trying to like take out more than was already going to be coming out. So this process took me a very long time. I will not bore you, but just know that this is the process I'm going to use for all of it. So basically, to re-mention the products, first I used my water bottle spray that has deep conditioner in it, and then along with that I applied some coconut oil just to make sure that the comb and the brush could go through my hair, you know, without any type of hold up. And then when it gets even tougher, I go ahead and add some more of my Mega Moist conditioner by Aussie's, repeating this step throughout my entire hair. That's what I use. I use a spray bottle. I use this amazing brush. It has 2 bristles on it. Definitely check it out. I'm going to include it in the drop box down below, so definitely check that out. And then I use a lot of water, a lot of conditioner, and a whole lot of patience. So I'm going to forward it, enjoy some music, go get a snack, but I won't bore you with some more details.
One time, she's got to be Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. On the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Go the grass,
After what felt like an eternity, I was finally done. Now I'm going back and just undoing all the knots and twists that I made when I was untangling or detangling the hair. And my hair is completely white because of the deep conditioner I was putting in it throughout, of course.
One nigga say you really want nigga. Call me emergency. One time me nah never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time.
To this process, I do not hold back from products. My hair has not seen them in a while anyway, so it needs to be done. So I really just coat my hair with conditioner and just try to pull out all the hanging strands, and then I'm going to go ahead and part it into 4 sections. Oh, in case you're wondering, I prefer wearing gloves when doing my hair because that way it doesn't get stuck in my nails, and it's just, I don't know, it just gives me like a sense of, I just feel like my hand goes through my hair easier when I'm wearing gloves. That is just my thing. I'm finally done with the detangling process, which, oh my god, was the longest process of life. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections before I get in the shower. This way I can wash it section by section so it won't tangle up again. It's just very easier when it's like already parted into sections.
Everybody gives you advice, yeah, on how to live your life, how to live your life. Don't you know that life is full of surprises? You better realize, nobody knows what's in your soul and how your heart works.
Guys, and this is majority of the hair that fell out. Although it might not look a lot, which I really believe it is, I don't have naturally thick hair. My hair may look thick, but it's not. I have thin hair. So for this amount to fall out really breaks my heart. But I can't be mad because it's my fault for being lazy. After washing my hair with an Aussie shampoo, I go ahead and most importantly use apple cider vinegar and water right after. That just makes my hair feel better. It makes it feel like it's not as, I don't know, as rough as the shampoo makes it because it's taking all the oils from my hair. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put the moisture back into my hair, starting with the Aussie's leave-in conditioner. This says it instantly tames, softens, and smooths the hair. I definitely believe it does all of that. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and finger detangle my hair, just making sure that I got all of the knots out of it before going ahead and applying the Carol's Daughter hair milk. This is an original leave-in conditioner and it's a moisturizer also. This little bottle is really good. I also love it. I definitely need to repurchase it because I'm running a little low. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in conditioner. I'm obsessed over conditioner. Whenever I'm doing my hair, I like to apply like 3 different types of conditioner, leave-in conditioner back into my hair. It just leaves it really smooth and soft, and it brings my curls back and popping. In the process of applying these products, I'm going to be massaging them really well into my hair so I can really cover the entire section as well as all of the strands, focusing it on my ends because those are the ones that are always dry. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply a 1/4 size of coconut oil into the section as well, just for shine and health, and just, I don't know, coconut oil is the remedy for natural hair, so just go ahead, lather your hair with coconut oil, girl, it's okay. And really massage that into my section as well. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add Black Jamaican Castor Oil. This oil really like thickens your hair. It's for healthy growth, and I really just like using it whenever I do my hair. I'm supposed to be applying it frequently, but yeah, I always forget. So on wash days, I really try to apply it to my hair. So finally, I'm just going to go ahead and twist that section and continue this whole process over to the next section. The remaining 3 sections, I'm going to be repeating the same process, just massaging all the products that I add into my hair just to ensure that it is hydrated, it is moisturized, and to define my curls. So just to, you know, save you some time, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video for this section. I'm going to go ahead and take down the twist that I made in the process and just reveal to you guys my well nourished, moisturized, and hydrated hair. I'm finally on the last section. I'm so excited. Now that I'm done applying all the products to my hair, I'm going to unravel all the twists that I did to just keep the parts separate and show you guys the final finish. Okay guys, so this is how my hair turned out. I really hope you enjoy my process. 4C is really not bad. It's natural curls that you really just need to learn how to take care of it. I really hope you do enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell me what products you use. What is your hair routine like? And what you would like to add and subtract from your routine. And I'll see you guys in my next video.